Okay, so hi everyone, very good evening, all of you. Welcome to the live stream only onto the YouTube channel Fun with Data Science. Yeah, so hi everyone. I hope you all are doing good at your ends, staying safe as well at your ends. So, we'll be very soon starting out this live stream. Okay, just let people join in over here, and then we'll proceeding in further that what's the project, what is that we are gonna do and everything. Okay. But till the time, what I'll do, I'll just help you out people to introduce that what is this, like how is we are going onto the channel, like right, what sort of videos are coming up over there, and everything we'll be trying to discuss it. So what I'll do, I'll start on with the Mondays. Okay, so on Mondays either you get on some generalized videos or you just get in some info about the basically some information about your internships or any sort of videos like that. Okay, on Tuesdays we have some compilation of the videos, right, where we just try to bring in some previous compilations for you as in a one complete sort of video that might help you out in learning up the things. Okay, Wednesdays, Thursdays and Fridays, these 3 days are all your DSA with Python, where I help you out to learn the data structures and algorithms with the help of Python programming language to make your job ready for your cracking your MNCs, right? We do the questions and everything we just do up over there. Um, Proceeding in next, on Saturdays we have the live streams, and Sundays are also for some either short videos, either some generalized videos, sort of things like that. So yeah, that is what all is going on to the channel. And hi coding Siksha, welcome to the live stream. I hope you are doing good. Okay, today what we'll be building, we'll be building a Python project. I'll be very soon introducing you out to that same. Okay. Hey Surya, welcome to the live stream. I hope you are doing good. Hi Rohit, welcome to the live stream. I hope you are doing good. Hi Shalini, welcome to the live stream. I hope you are doing good. Great everyone. So yeah, welcome everyone to the live stream. I hope you people are doing super good at your ends. And yeah, so we'll be building up a sort of a Python project today. It's gonna be a very easy, simple Python project that will be just like building up over here. I'll be discussing that with you people over here, and yeah, the IDE which I am gonna use out over here, that's gonna be your PyCharm IDE. Okay, so I'm gonna use the PyCharm IDE. Okay, Digambar, hi, welcome to the live stream. I hope you are doing good. Okay, Dev, there are more 900 plus videos on your channel. Can you make a video on how to use your channel? Yeah, sure, Dev. Thank you so much for this suggestion to me over here. I'll just try to build in some sort of a video which can actually let you know the roadmap, how to follow up the videos onto my channel, and like all about the same. Okay, hi Malia, welcome to the live stream. I hope you are doing good. Great, so yeah, great everyone, welcome over here. And what I'll do, I'll just now start introducing you to the project of today that we are gonna make in. So today we'll be making up a sort of a project which will help us to get the IP address of any respective website. Okay, I know that sounds a little bit very much cool. Yes, it will help you to get in the IP address of any respective website. Okay, you'll be able to generate the IP address, and further for the IP address you can track up the things, you can further perform up more operations once you are getting any IP address of any respective website, right? So that is what I'm going to help you out today over here with. Hi Dev. Okay, as I have decided to learn data science from your channel as my exams. Okay, sure, Dev. I'll just try to build and put down that video maybe in the upcoming week. Okay, maybe in the upcoming week I'll surely try to put that over there. Okay. Hi, infotainment. Okay, infotainment. Hi, infotainment. Welcome to live stream. I hope you are doing good. Okay, Malia. Please, ma'am, make a video of data engineering project. Okay, data engineering project. Fine, thank you, Malia, for your suggestion and for your feedback. I'll try to make that video for the data engineering project as well as soon as possible. Okay, I'll just try to build in that also. Okay, so super awesome, everyone. Great. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna start on with basically the working up of our project for today. Basically the project which we are having in for today. I'm gonna start on with the making of that project. Hi Tosif, welcome to the live stream. I hope you are doing good. Okay, so I was telling you all that we are gonna make up a sort of a project where you will be able to write in a code where you'll be able to generate up the IP address of any respective website, right? That's what is we are gonna do. So at that end, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use up some libraries first of all, not some, only one library, which will help me actually to do the same thing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply write up over here import socket, and let's say I'm gonna give it a short form as S. Okay, so I'm gonna write up the library basically which is socket, and for that I am just giving up a short form as S. Now for the people for whom the socket is not at all installed up onto your devices, what you will do, you will just very quickly open up either your terminals or your command prompt or your Windows PowerShell. Into that you're going to write up a command that is pip install socket. Okay, that particular statement will help you out to install up the socket library onto your respective devices, and once it has been installed you will be very easily able to use out that particular library. Okay, when I say libraries, so actually libraries always need some installation onto your devices, but we have another thing that is known as your modules. Okay, so modules never ever need out any sort of installation. So but yeah, currently we are using up maybe the library. So yeah, in that case I'm just writing socket. Okay, perfect. Okay, hi Mahadev, welcome to the live stream. I hope you are doing good. Dev, you should also come up with a live interaction session. Okay, sure Dev, sure, thank you for your suggestion. Yeah, I can plan that. Actually that's a very good idea. Okay, let me plan it in December only. Okay, I'll just try to plan it in December only and let's see. Okay, perfect. So what I'm going to do next is that I'm going to use up, let's say, a variable. Okay, host name, let's say host name underscore user as a sort of a variable for me, right? Into that I'm just going to use my S, that is my socket library, S dot, and I'm going to use up over here get host name. Get host name is one of the functions which we have up over here actually, right? What it will help me, it will help me to get in the host name, whatever is the name of the host, it will help me to get that, right? For now currently I'm going to get in my host name of my laptop, right? So because I will be running up this respective project, this respective code onto my own machine, right? So into that particular case I will be getting in the host name of my respective machine. Okay, so awesome. And what I will do, I'll just try to print in up that particular host name also, even because it will help me to get in some good information about my project, and it will either look a little bit much more good when we are adding up some sort of many functions, right? So print f string, here goes my host name is, I'm going to put up the colon and I'm going to put up the bracket. Inside that I'm going to write host name underscore user, right? So that is what I require. I require up a f string. Okay, I'm going to use up the print statement. With that I'm going to use up a f string. and inside that I'm going to use the host name is, and brackets that in the brackets what is mine which I have given, I have just given up a variable name, right? So this is statement 1. So I'll run this out. It will help me to get in the host name, which is my host name basically for my computer, for my laptop which I'm using. Fine. So yeah, that is one thing which we wanted to use in get host name. That was my very first function. Okay, that we are actually using up over here. So what I'll do, I'll just try to ask out you everyone over here that am I clear up till this particular place? Basically whatever we have discussed or whatever we have done, am I clear up till this particular place? Okay, Malya, please ma'am make a video about roadmap of data engineering for a non-technical background student, please ma'am. Okay, Malya, I'll suggest you one thing that Malya, if you want a data, like maybe data engineer, data analyst, okay, if you want these types of roadmaps, so what you could do, basically you can just go over my channel, and into that channel you can just go over the roadmaps playlist. Okay, into that roadmaps playlist you will get up all of these roadmaps, so you can check those at your end. Okay, that is one thing which you can do up. Okay, Mahadev, which project you are doing? Okay, Mahadev, we are doing a project which will help you to get in the host name, the IP address of any respective website of your choice with the help of this particular code. Okay. Okay, Rohit, fine, Rohit, thank you. Thanks a lot for the confirmation. Harshvardhan, from where did you learn data analytics? Nowadays, many coaching offers data analytics at a huge amount. Did you join one of those coaching? Okay, Harshvardhan, I had learned data science two years back. Okay, and at that time there was actually one of the courses which was introduced by one startup only at that time. Actually, that startup is currently not offering up that course, so I'm not letting you know the name of that particular course or the startup, but yeah, I have learned out that particular course from that respective startup only. Okay, that's what one thing we have. Secondly, yeah, that is how I learned, but every time what matters is all about your practice, right? So you need to do the practice as much as you can. Okay, try to do the practice as much as you can for data analytics, data science, any other respective fields. And talking about the courses, so either it's all upon your choice. You want to take a particular course, you want to learn by YouTube videos, right? At what amount you want to take the course, because different companies offer different amounts. So check out your convenience accordingly, and you can choose it for yourself. Okay, that's what is needed. Okay, most welcome, Alia. Hi, Rohan. Welcome to live stream, and thank you so much for asking. I'm doing good. Thank you. Great. So fine. Let's proceed in everyone. I'm gonna use up a variable, other variable. Let's say that is gonna be my IP underscore user. Okay. Now again, I'm gonna use. Excuse me. Again, I'm gonna use s as a variable for my socket library, right? So I'm gonna use s dot. With the help of that, I'm going to use other function which is get host by name. Now what is this actually going to do for me? This is actually get me the host name, right? Get host by name. Okay, I'm going to write hostname underscore user inside that. So in the hostname underscore user, we were getting the host name. Now that host name is given by which host, right? I hope you are like basically understanding that the host name which I am using, that host name is given by which other host name, right? That we are trying to find in up over here. And for that, I will be printing up the I'll be getting up the IP address of that particular user, and I will be trying to print that over here, right? So I'm going to write a print over here. I'm going to use up the F strings. I'm going to write the IP address is, and I'm going to put up the brackets. Inside that, I'm going to use up the variable which is IP underscore user. right? So what it will help me do, it will help me to get in the IP address of basically the host name. It means that the host name whatsoever I have with that respective host name, it will help me to get in the IP address, right? That is what is we are doing up over here. So first one was getting me the host name, second one is gonna get me the IP address of that respective host name. So what I'll do, I'll just stop in up here for a minute and want to confirm from you all, am I clear whatever we have discussed so far over here? Okay, yeah, so I hope you all are pretty much clear with whatever we have discussed up now, right away. Right. So now the next step which we will be doing is that I will be trying to get in. Okay, 1 second. What I'll do, I'll just try to get in up basically. I'll just try to write in up any website over here. Okay, Rohit, thank you. Thanks a lot for the confirmation. What I'll try to do, I'll just try to write in up a website for which we will be finding up the IP address. Okay. So let's say my respective variable is site underscore host. Okay, site host, yeah. And okay, Rohit, thank you. Thanks a lot for the confirmation. Site underscore host, right? And into that I have this python.org. That is my respective, let's say, website for which I will be finding out the IP address. Python.org. That's the official website of Python, I guess you all know, right? Great. And let's say I'm gonna use up a variable site underscore IP, and with that I'm just gonna write up sort of a thing s dot, and I'm gonna use up another variable get host by name, and inside that I'm gonna use up site underscore host. Now what is my thing that I'm trying to do, what I'm trying to actually do up over here is that I am trying to get in basically which browser you can say, right? That is helping me to get in the IP address. In our case it's gonna be the Google Chrome because that's my by default browser. So here once I have just written this get host by name now over there, so it will help me to very simply get in basically the name of this respective I'll say the host. Okay, that will be my Google Chrome. So this is basically the website which you are putting. It's all about that which website you are wanting to find in the IP address for, and that's for me it's python.org, the official website of Python, right? Next we are just using up this get host by name as a variable, sorry, as a function, and it is gonna get me the host name of site underscore host. So site underscore host is having my respective website. So this website will be opened up in whatsoever browser now. It will help me to get in the that particular browser name. That is what is being done up over here. Okay, so yeah, everyone, am I clear up till this particular place? Okay, are we clear guys up till this particular place? Basically whatever I have told you people over here. Basically it's all very simple, I guess. It's not that difficult to understand out the things. It's just we are like we are just simply using up some functions which we have up into the socket library, right? We're just trying to use up those functions, and with the help of those functions we are just trying to getting out our results over here, right? So that's what a very simple thing we are doing up. See, because there are numerous of libraries in Python which like anytime you can use up into your project, right? So in that particular case we require to learn about those particular libraries very clearly, very efficiently, so that once you are making up your own project, in that case you do not face any sort of issues or anything, right? So that's what we are doing up. Okay, Malia, when will your next live session. Okay, Male, every Saturday we do the live sessions. Okay, every Saturday 10 p.m. Last Saturday we didn't do because I was having cough and cold. I wasn't well last Saturday. That was the reason we didn't did it last Saturday. But yeah, from now onwards, every Saturday we will be doing up the live streams. Same time, 10 p.m. Okay, Rohit, thank you. Thanks a lot for the confirmation. Thanks a lot. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to write up a print statement over here. Print bracket. I'm going to use up the if strings. Okay. And now I will be writing one sentence that the website, whatever the website I have used, and that is in my site underscore host, is having IP address, and I'll be writing up the variable name that is gonna be my site underscore IP, right? So with this respective statement, it will help me to get in the IP address of my respective website as well. It will help me to print up all the things in one single line. Basically, what is my website? Let's say my website is it's, let's say, what's a python.org, right? So there I'll be getting python.org as a website, and whatever will the IP address, I'll be getting that over here, right? Okay, Tosif, this video, can I get in YouTube video a few of these decisions for practicing? Yeah, sure, Tosif. These all videos are will stay onto the channel only. All the live sessions are in the channel. You can go over the live sessions playlist and check it out over there. You'll find all my live streams in that particular sort of playlist. Okay, so yeah, you can just visit those and take them for your reference. Great, everyone. So yeah, what we did up over here was, once I'll just very quickly repeat, then I'll run in the project. Simply, first of all, we just simply imported out our respective module, that is my socket module, right? Next, I was having up a variable name that is hostname underscore user. So with that, I used up s as a variable, s as a socket name for my socket, and get host name, that is my respective function. Print, I am just using up a print statement where we are having up the basically the host name, and into that I'm just writing hostname underscore user. It will help me to get the host name. Then I wanted the IP address of my host name. So from this respective statements, that is IP underscore user is equal to s dot get host by name bracket host name dot user. With this, what I'm getting, I'm just very simply getting in my host name, and I'm just trying to get in the IP address of my hostname underscore user variable, and with the print statement, I'm just getting up the IP address, right? Then site host, that is all about my website for which I want the IP address. Okay, get host by name, it will help me to print up the IP address, and for one complete sentence, it will display up my website and my IP address, that is site underscore host and site underscore IP. So what I'll just try to do, I'll just try to run out this respective project over here, and let's see how does it runs out. So my host name is something, my IP address is something, and for python.org as well, we have some IP address, that is something written up over here, right? So that is how you will be getting up the result of this particular project. Now, might some of you seem that this is a very simple project. So yeah, it's actually a simple project, but now with your intelligence, with your brain, you can just make this project as fancy and as advanced as you can, right? So what could be done? Over here is that you can just simply first of all convert this to a GUI, right? Then you can add in up multiple options for maybe getting the IP address, okay, exactly with the time, that at what time you are just getting the IP address, okay, like that you can get in. Or you can make up an entry box. Into that entry box, you enter any URL, and you will just get in the IP address for that respective URL. So things like that could be made in at your end, right? You can make different sort of buttons which will help you to get the IP address, or maybe with that only you can add in some options, or you can add up an option of direct open URL, so it would actually help you to open the website as well. So all these things could be done onto a GUI at your end, which you can actually make up at your ends, right? So that is what is actually needed up over there. Okay, Darshit, hello Shambhavi, I left a message on Instagram regarding data science, but there was no reply on that message. Okay, Darshit, you had messaged me on Instagram regarding data science. Okay, Darshit, might be that has been missed out by the team or something else. So Darshit, if you want some advice or anything about the data science or anything like, either you can contact me on my LinkedIn. That is again Shambhavi Gupta. You can search me on LinkedIn as Shambhavi Gupta. You'll get me over there. Or you can drop me a comment in any of my recent YouTube videos also. These two are the quicker ways where you can get in my replies and you can maybe resolve up your respective query. Okay, or if you want, you can just ask me out anytime in the live sessions also. That will be one of the better options. Okay, Malya. Data science and data engineering roadmaps are same or different. See, Malya, this data science, this data analytics, the data engineering, these all are just similar to each other. A little bit sort of differences are over there, right? So you can follow up these if you want to go in data engineering or data analytics, any key thing over there. So you can just follow up the data science roadmaps. Inside that only you will be getting further things also. Right, so these all are around same and the roadmaps are almost same for all of those. Okay, Malya? I hope that is clear. Dev, how can I message on LinkedIn? See, Dev, on LinkedIn you want to message me, you can send me a request over there for a connection request. Okay, and once I have accepted your connection request, you can start messaging me up. I know the follow button is over there, so you can just go with the three dots, which is just besides the follow button. Into that you will get an option for sending the request also. Okay, you can just send that from here. Hey, hi Ravi, welcome to the live stream. I hope you are doing good. Great everyone. So today we just make out this very quick project about Python, about how you can find in the IP address of any respective website or the things. We just had made out this actually over here today. So I have introduced you to one of the new more library in Python, which is my socket library. Right, so up till now I have introduced you to many sort of libraries which we have up in the Python programming language, many sort of functions which we have in Python, and all different. Right, so what could be done is that now what you could do is that as the placement season is coming very far, it's very near placement season, right? Companies and your resumes have to be prepared. So try using up these libraries in one project. Try to develop up some good and some cool type of project at your end, which you can actually add up onto your resume. Right, so that is one thing which could be done. We have discussed lots of libraries over here which we have learned as well. So you can just try developing something. Okay. Okay, Malya, thank you. Thanks a lot for the confirmation. Dev, I have sent you. It's not accepted. Okay, Dev, actually I don't. I actually maybe the team has not seen that out or something maybe there. Can you help me out with your real name so that it could be accepted? So did you send it today or you sent it out previously only? If you can help me with that thing. The marvelous thing. Say Shambhavi, very glad to find your video. I'm your new subscriber by the way stable. Oh, thank you, the marvelous thing. And hi, I hope you are doing good. Welcome to the channel first of all. And thanks a lot for subscribing out my channel. Okay, Biswanath. Okay. Great guys, great everyone. So Dev, I'll just request you can just once again resend me out that request and I'll just try to take that forward. Right? Great everyone. So we just made out this respective project and I hope that you might have enjoyed making up this project up over here with me. Malya, please don't forget me. I have lots of questions for you. Please remember me. Oh, sure, Malya. You can anytime you can come into my every live streams which are on Saturdays, and you can ask as many questions as you want. Okay, as many as you want, you can ask out. Okay, great everyone. Very good evening, Siddhant. Very good evening. Welcome to the live stream. Great guys. Fine everyone. So it's all in for today from my side, right? And thank you everyone for joining in this live stream. I hope you people have enjoyed making this project over here with me with a new library, right? I'll be further bringing up some more sort of cool and some new projects for everyone on every Saturdays 10 p.m. Those are the live streams, so don't forget to join me next Saturday, same time 10 p.m. in the evening with some more new stuff for you all. So till then, thank you everyone. Take care. Have a great week ahead, all of you. Most welcome, Alia. Thank you. Thanks a lot everyone for joining in. Have a great week ahead, all of you. Thank you. Take care and bye bye everyone.